Hey guys, it's me Tim again with my AL37 all lit up, ready to go for the summer. Just about ready to go anyways. A couple more things I need to do yet. Got the lights all working and got the landing gear working. Got the cockpit all lit up. Nose gear, landing gear, nav lights, everything's here. The landing gear actually work, takes a few seconds, then they go all the way up, and then the landing lights go out, of course, and then we bring them back down. Again, just a little bit of a time delay. Not used to that, but getting used to it. The AL37 from Free Wing Motion RC, neat little airplane, little 6.5 foot fuselage, 6 foot wingspan. I think that's a little bit more than little. That's a good size airplane. In this little room I have upstairs, in the attic made into a room, and so I decided to build it up here instead of downstairs. It's cold down there because of the winter. But anyways, one of the other things that I did add to this was the Model Sounds Inc Shockwave 3 to this airplane. We got the engine start and stop and throttle up, throttle down. I disconnected the engines just so you can hear the engine throttle up and throttle down after the startup, the initial startup. So with that, we'll go ahead and light that bad boy off. Oh yeah. Pretty wild. Now that we got both engines in the idle mode, still hear the other engine still psyching in. There we go. There we go to throttle up. Full throttle. Stepping back. We have a shutdown. And there you have it, the whole kit and caboodle. It's pretty loud in here, you can imagine, because it's a tight quarters up here. But yeah, the Model Sounds Inc Shockwave 3 sound system, simulating, actually it's an Airbus 320 engines that they did, was the one that came closest to an airliner sound that they had. It all goes on an SD card, and there's a few other things I could put onto this, but I haven't tried that out yet. I was mostly interested in getting the sound of the engines first, but I'll work on the other part, cockpit chatter, if you will. Say that 3 times fast. And there you have it, folks, guys and gals, and enjoy. Have a good one.